Would you like to create promo videos and send them to 500 sources for free buyer traffic in 21 seconds? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam here, and today I'll be giving an honest review on a product called Aura. Welcome back guys. So today I'll be telling you guys what Aura is all about, and I'll also be offering some awesome bonuses that is going to be beneficial to you using Aura. And then I'll be taking you guys to the members area to see what Aura is all about once you purchase it. So let's get down to it guys. What is Aura? Aura is a one-click app that creates promo videos and fires them up to 500 sources for free buyer traffic in 21 seconds without any upfront cost, experience or tech skills. Okay, so this is an autopilot traffic from 500 sources. Okay, and then it's created for beginners, and you can get a 365-day money back guarantee, as well as you can get paid $1,000 if you don't get results. Okay, so this goes for a one-time fee of $22. Okay, so I'll be giving you guys more details on this sales page just so you are able to know much more of what you'll be getting once you purchase Aura. So these are some sales that has been made using Aura, and there are just 3 steps to this, and you don't need a computer science degree to get this done. Okay, step 1 is obviously you have to purchase it, and then activate it by entering a keyword, select a done for you video, okay, and an offer or site to promote. And step 3, you relax while your video goes to 500 sources in 21 seconds as described by the vendor. Okay, so Billy Durr is the owner of this software, okay, and he has done this for beginners. So I believe if you guys check my channel, you could see a product called Alpha. It was also done by Billy, which was the #1 WhatsApp marketing stuff. Okay, so these are just normal stuff you'll see on a sales page. Okay, so I'll just be looking for the key points here so that I don't waste much time looking at what is not important in this product. And okay, so these are just past stories of Billy and why he wanted to actually come up with such a product that will be beneficial, not just to him but also to other people. Okay, so what will you be getting? It's a done for you stuff, requires little or no time, and it's perfect if you're lazy. It's automated. Okay, and I think there are some few testimonials here. I've gone through this before. Okay, so finally, zero tech skills, a 3-figure a day tutorial included. You get real visitors that buy. You stop wasting your precious time, and it's a unique software. You don't need an SEO, or you don't need to create videos, and well, the longer you wait, the more you pay. Okay, so yes, everything you'll be getting with Aura. So you are getting the new Aura software, which is what, like $47 a month, but you'll be getting it for free just this time, as well as you get a step-by-step tutorial guide, a quick start guide, and also you get like 164 into our case study and a customer only Q&A call. So if you are not sure of anything, you can always pick up the phone and call. Okay, and this works with Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, Amazon, Shopify, eBay. Okay, so And the bonuses I'll be offering to you guys is going to really help you get this stuff, top notch, to the brim. And it just goes for a one-time fee of $22, for the front end sale of this. And because it's a good product, I believe it will be going up, because a lot of people need videos, for their marketing. A lot of people interact more with videos than actually reading, about the product. So this is going to be a life changer for the people who are in business, who has products they want to promote and stuff. And as well as, if this doesn't work for you, you can always get your money back, within a year, which is awesome. So because in this channel, I'm always very particular about people getting their money back if the product doesn't work for them. Okay, so here are some bonuses you'll be getting from using this product. You get a $0 to $1,000 a day in 30 days. These are free bonuses. And okay, I think this was repeated again. Well, I believe you get lots of bonuses. Maybe it hasn't been updated yet, as we can see from this page. Okay, so well, let me quickly take you guys onto the bonus page so that you can see what I'll be offering to you guys, and also tell you about the prices and the upsells. So guys, this is the bonus page, and if you would like to grab Aura, don't forget to click on the link here to grab it now. All right, and quickly I'll be taking you guys onto the bonuses before I come back to speak about the upsells here. Okay, so the first bonus I'll be offering to you guys is Equinox Pro. With Equinox Pro, you are taking Aura to the top. Okay, you are getting the best out of traffic with Equinox Pro, because this is going to take you far beyond what you expect, and you are getting this bonus tutorial for free. Okay, and the second bonus I'll be offering is how to build a functional blog. Okay, every blog needs a video to market. You might also create a video for people and market it on your blog. Okay, so this is something that you don't want to miss as well. Okay, the third bonus, which is worth like $344, is called how to build a website from scratch. Okay, learning how to build a website from scratch and then selling it out, and then creating videos as well for people, promo videos, and selling it out is something that is going to really work for you. Okay, so this is something you don't want to miss. And the fourth video is the Fuego breakout. Now this is something to do with traffic. Okay, and then sending out traffic from Aura, and then sending out traffic from Fuego breakout, you are going to get all the sales you can get. Okay, so these are like additional tools that is going to help you boost your product out there. So the fifth one is a special bonus, whereby if you take action today, you'll get these bonuses, and then this is going to be like the brim of your business that is going to blow. Okay, so yeah guys, so let's quickly go on to the upsells and discuss about this. But before I go, this is my website here, the Ministry of Freedom Organization.com, and from there you can learn how to make a good amount of money per day while working from home, or just like a side hustle. Okay, that can work for you as a side hustle. All right, so quickly, the prices. The front end goes for $17. Okay, which if you guys see from the sales page, I say $22, but because you are buying from this page, you get it for $17. Okay, and the first upsell, which is the Aura Unlimited Edition. So with this, you have multiple templates, unlimited usage, and unlimited traffic and sales, and it comes with additional tutorials. It goes for just $39. And the Aura Done For You Edition goes for $197, And in this, the team aims to deliver a done-for-you traffic and sales for your customers. Okay, the automated edition, you'll be able to activate all the automation tools with Aura, and that goes for $39. And as well as the done for you template club goes for $39 as well. With this, you get 200 customizable video templates that they use with Aura. And the fifth sale is the 50 times click and go campaigns. So we'll give you 50 proven WhatsApp campaigns that you just copy and paste affiliate sales with WhatsApp. Okay, so here are some of the key benefits you might be interested in getting. So finally, stop struggling and succeed. Okay, and you get like the autopilot traffic from 500 sources. It's very perfect for a side hustle or full time, first of its kind, created for beginners. You attain freedom from every level, and most importantly, you get your 365-day money back guarantee, and you get result and you get paid $1,000 if it doesn't work for you. So here is a quick demo video which I won't be playing, but I'll have this link in the description below, so that once you open up this link you can see a detailed tutorial made by Billy, for how to use the software. However, I'll be taking you guys onto the sales page, the members area, just to see this whole thing. But let me see so this is just a quick run through on once you log in. This is how it looks like. So I will be going into that because I don't want the video to be so long. Okay, it's already long already. So well, this is just how the stuff looks like. Okay, so guys, if you think this is for you, there'll be a link in the description below. Just order it. Okay, you get to see all those things and read it in depth for yourself, and you'll know if this product is for you, which I believe this product is definitely for the people who wants to get their product out there and sell it. So I'll be going on to the members area now so that you guys can see how this product looks like. Okay guys, so this is the members area of Aura, and here you have your login details once you log in, and let's see. Okay, you have like your activity calendars. So here you can import an account. Okay, so you get all this in depth in the demo video, and you have your like connectivity settings. You can search for deals from Warrior Plus, deals from JVZoo, deals from ClickBank. Okay, these are all products that are coming up today, which is the 6th of May. Okay, there's a traffic sniper from Jono Armstrong, so you can get the sales page and also grab the deals and then promote it using this product, which is good. So this is where you have your video creator, your social media blast, so you can blast it to so many channels directly from the app here, from Amazon to WhatsApp to Snapchat to Facebook. Okay, so you have your messenger, both your subscriber manager, SMS marketing, email marketing, e-commerce, utility tools, website comparison, and your URL shortener. Okay, so I wouldn't want to be taking much of your time, guys, so this is just a brief summary of what Aura can do. Okay, for more details on how the app works, you can check the demo video in the bonus page that I'll be putting in the description below. And if you want to purchase Aura for your product or Aura for your business, don't forget to click on the link in the description below, because my honest review, like I promised you guys, is I believe this will work for people who has products to sell, or you want to start promoting other people's products. Okay, this application is going to work very well for you to be able to generate your income even as a side hustle or something. So That is what I think about this software. So if it doesn't work for you, you are guaranteed $1,000, and you get back your capital 365 days. But the vendors believe this will work, and I think so. Maybe if you follow the step-by-step tutorial, then it should work. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to click on the link in the description below if you want to purchase this product. And then don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Thank you.